Good morning, everybody. It's the start of a new week. Happy Monday. Our letter of the day today is the letter U. So we're going to start by finding the letter U on our alphabet chart. And remember, when we get to the U, we're going to stop. All right, we're going to start at A. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Oh, we found it. And if we look, the letter just before U is the letter T. And the letter after U is the letter V. So we're going to do the letter U today, and let's look inside here and see it's an umbrella. Umbrella starts with a U. All right, so the letter U represents this sound. So you take your hands and you make fists, and you put your fists on top of each other, and you move one fist up like you're putting up an umbrella. So that's the short U. So U also, because U is a vowel, it has a long sound also, and it says its name, U. So let's do the short sound 3 times. Ready? Now let's do the long sound 3 times. Ready? U, U, U. All right, so I have written the U under here. And what do you notice about the letter U? What do you notice about the uppercase and the lowercase letters? Take a look. Tell your neighbor, tell someone who's next to you, what do you notice about those U's? I notice that they look the same, except for one difference. The uppercase is bigger, the lowercase is smaller. What else do you notice? Did you notice that U's have a big curve in them? And they have this little stand here. And that stand is used to keep the U from tipping over. If the U didn't have the stand, it would tip over. So when you make your U, you always have to make sure you have that stand. So it's got a curve, and then it's got a straight line down there. And the lowercase is the same way. So I'm going to point to one, and you guys tell me if it's an upper or a lowercase. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I might trick ya. Lowercase U, uppercase U. Oh, uppercase U, lowercase U. Lowercase U, uppercase U. Did I trick you? I bet I did. All right, so to make a letter U, we always start at the top. You got it. All right, so we start at the top, and we start with a straight line down, and then we curve it, okay? So you start with a straight line down, and then you curve it back up, and then make your little stand so it'll stay up, okay? To do the lowercase, you do the same thing. You just make it smaller. You ready? Okay, we're going to start at the top still, but it's going to be shorter, so we're going to do it down further. So straight line down, curve, up, and our little stand. So that's the letter U. Oh, did you notice? We made a pattern with our U's. Uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. See if you can figure out what comes next. All right, so my challenge for you today is to use Play-Doh to make your U's. And I've already done it for you right here. Here are my U's that I made. If you can see them, okay? So I may use Play-Doh, and I made the letter U. I wonder if you can find some Play-Doh and make the letter U also. All right, we're also going to find the letter U. And I'm just going to grab a book out of my book bin back here. And I found the book. This is The Ugly Duckling. So I'm going to give you a second to look in here and see if you can find any U's. The Ugly Duckling. Do you see it? There's one right there. There's the uppercase. And you know what? This one might fall over. It doesn't have the stand, does it? But sometimes, remember, letters look different depending on who makes them. So this person didn't put the stand on. But it's still a U because it's got the curved bottom. Do you see any other U's? Do you see that one right there in duckling? Yeah, so look at that. I picked out a book and we found 2 U's. The book we're going to be using this week is Too Many Carrots. You could look on that book. You can look anywhere. See if you can find some U's. All right, so our word of the day is going to be the word up. And up, unlike all of our other words that we've done that have had 3 letters, this word only has 2 letters in it. So I'm going to draw 2 lines down here. All right, so when we say the word up, what do you hear for the first sound? What do you hear for this sound right here? Up, up. Up starts with a U. So I am going to write my U right here. Now let's see what you hear for the second sound in up. Ready? I'm going to stretch it out. Up, up. Do you hear that? The P, up, is spelled U-P. And if you have the movie Up, you could look on the cover. I bet you'll find a U. All right, so I am going to tell you a little bit about what we're going to be doing this week. So in your packet, everybody has these little letter cards. There's a set of lowercase and uppercase. We're not going to use them today because I want to make sure everybody gets a chance to do this. But what you're going to do is you're going to cut all of these letters out. Maybe you'll do some. Maybe you'll have a brother or sister do some. Maybe a grown-up will do some for you. But you all also had a pair of scissors in your packet. So you're just going to stay on the lines and cut all of these letters out because we're going to start using these letters tomorrow. And another thing is try to keep all your letters together because when you get your next set of packets, there will be stuff in there for you to keep using these. And you'll see what that's going to be later, but it's going to be pretty cool. So I want you to make sure you keep all of these together. Okay, so you're going to cut them all out so they each have, so they're each their own little card. Okay? All right, we'll see you later.